Someone parachuted? Hmm. Strange. Paragliding? See it better in my eyes. He looks a little lost. Wouldn't you say? Well, where he's going? What's going on? Go to my room. Okay. Back again. Change rooms. Look how tiny he is on this camera. I can see him a lot better with my own eyes. Although that's a lot brighter. Wonder what his destination is. Anywhere? Destination anywhere. What's going on, eh? Oh dear. I can't zoom in any closer than that, I'm afraid. But he's far away. Well, to the camera's perception anyway. Oh no. Lost him. Where'd he go? Oh, it's so hard to see. See that a minute. See if I can see him with my eyes. Ah, he's proper gone into the beams of the sun. That local one right up there, like. It's not millions of miles away. I can't see him with my eyes. Oh yeah, I see him. I know where he is. He's over there now. Come on. Let's get him down a bit. There he is. There's Superman. But he's loving it, flying around. Where'd he come from? Just came from my left there. And then went straight over there. That's some way. Can't see him again. Trying to find him with my eyes. Oh, I can see him, but you're not going to see him with the camera. No way. It's like over there, gone in the distance. You can't see it. Never mind. Great show. Till next time.